Hi friends, it's Krista from Doc's Quilt Shop coming to you because the coffee time has finally made its splash here at Doc's Quilt Shop. So I wanted to introduce the new line Coffee Time from RBD Designers. So this is our main and it comes in cream. This is main in cinnamon. And this is main in brown. Oh, beautiful colors. Love the deep browns. It's got a cup of coffee. So this is called Text, and this is Text in brown, and it has coffee, coffee and kindness, coffee shop espresso, handcraft since 1980, coffee time, French press, cute logos of coffee things, and coffee is a hug in a mug, cute. So that's Text in brown. This is called Coffee Mugs, and this is in the color Shell. This is Plaid in cream. This is Plaid in brown. And this is Plaid in Shell. This is Coffee Mugs in brown. And Coffee Mugs in Sage. Very cute. I love the color coordination in this line. The browns, oranges, greens. So there are actually two panels in this. This is one panel, and it's got several little squares. Coffee is a hug in a mug. Café con leche, lovers, Mexican coffee, Café Francois. Hopefully I said that right. Fresh coffee served daily, and the cute little camper. Cute, very cute. And this is the second panel. And then we have coffee beans in brown. We have Text in cream. We have Swirls in cinnamon. Swirls in brown. And the last bolt for coffee time is Text in Sage. So I also have this fun little pattern from RBD Designers for the big panel. And so this will be made into a kit, so if you're interested, look for the kit. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel and push the like button, and that will really help us out. Thank you for watching, everyone. Happy sewing.